Food entering the lungs should make you cough, right? Not always. This is called silent aspiration. When the food or liquid enters the lungs, the body protects itself by coughing. But in some people, this protective reflex is either lost or weak, and the food enters the airway without coughing, without choking, without any warning sign. This is most commonly seen in patients with neurological disorders like Parkinsonism, stroke patients, some elderly patients, or even head and neck cancer patients after treatment. But what's the danger? Repeated silent aspiration can lead to aspiration pneumonia, that is, infection of the lungs. So sometimes the most dangerous swallowing problem is the one you don't even feel.